I knew there was something wrong that day. And it's funny, I think all breast cancer survivors understand these dates. September 2nd, 8:45 a.m. That's when the doctor came on in and he was at his most seriousness. He didn't even give me a look. He came on in, came on back out and said, "I want to see you." And that's when I knew something was wrong. We sat down in his office and here's what I heard. "Kevin, you have cancer." I ended up getting chemo, radiation, 2 mastectomies, well, 1 mastectomy at that time. And I would tell anybody, gee whiz, if you ever get hit by anything like this, hey, do yourself a favor, sit in your corner, cry for a moment, but then slap yourself in the face and let's move on. And that's exactly what I did. It's one thing to be sick and it's one thing to act sick. But the name of the game is you gotta live no matter what. Because at that time when you hear cancer, you hear death. And it's 10 years later. Advice to guys, as far as checking yourself over, never doubt anything, top to bottom. If you think something is wrong, assume it is. Let the doctor actually be the diagnosis on this.
When I was told first that it was cancer, my first thing that came out of my mouth to the doctor was, "It's a death sentence." My wife, my daughter, who is 12 years old, my little son, at the time was about 5 years old, and I always hear he asking, "Mommy, Mommy, is Daddy gonna die?" And Mommy would say, "No, no, Nathaniel, Mommy, Daddy's not gonna die." He said, "Oh, thank God, I'm gonna pray for him." So, you know, my family, there was a real good support to me. Breast Cancer Foundation had an event recently at the Ritz-Carlton, and that was very helpful to me because I taught how to take care of herself physically and you know, mentally, and I met friends, I met other men. Early detection, I emphasize on that. Early detection, don't sit there and say it's a lady stuff, it's a lady disease, it's for us men also.